Burgo Rippy, I'm over at the tractor show, Portland, Indiana. Gas engine show. I'm by the Fairbanks engine. I think there's actually two of them. He's got a big John Deere Gator. He's got the name of his farm on the front of there. Found him a spot in the shade. But these ornate outboard engines caught my eye. A beautiful small engine there. This is that one has a water cooler for some reason. But they have them on a stand. This one's a $4,500 one, which is right up there. It says Jackson, Michigan. I don't remember seeing these in this display before here. I don't recognize the guy.
When you come in the gate, you were given an orange ticket for today.
I wish that guy would shut up on that thing.
There to put your name
but he won't. And
don't need your telephone number, name and address on there. And around 5 o'clock today.
So yeah, it is getting pretty dark in here, isn't it? Golf clubs, wooden handle golf clubs.
Your orange ticket and yesterday's
I don't know.
ticket will still be good on Saturday for the big drawing. Two $100 gift cards, $250 and $225.
A small stationary engine.
You're eligible for
very early. I would guess it's multi-fuel or something. I don't know. I really don't know. Even this one here too. It has a tag on it. I think it says golf.
Need to make an announcement. Please remember, if you're driving a vehicle, the pedestrian has the right.
An Elgin.
You are sitting on
This guy is so annoying.
You don't have to go fast.
I mean, I'm not even exaggerating how annoying he is.
Let them walk.
It's rude also, I might add.
Please.
This one's $1,000.
Have the right of way. Thank you.
It's $1,000 outboard, I'm sorry. The Neptune with the display. Now, we've kind of seen these. This one's really cleaned up nice. Murphy, Michigan. Is that what it says? Mighty Mac? I think it says Mighty Might. That's what it says. I thought it said Michigan, I'm sorry. But she's kind of cute. Some red and white ones. Pretty good display down through here. He's got $1,000 on this too. Then the stand would be different, I think. You don't get the stand, do you? Maybe, I don't know. Johnson Seahorse, this stand here would be worth some money. Yeah, pretty good display of some outboard, vintage outboard here. The Johnson Motor Company, Waukegan, which is Chicago. The Johnson Motor Company. Some parts here. This is kind of cool. Nice display. Look at this Evinrude.
We found the guy's picture. He actually came up, picked it up, and they were the right one. I do not know how to say this, but
One on the bench back there. But I don't know. This.
so if you happen to have had an artificial leg on your golf cart and fell off, come see the answer.
From Rockford. Hi.
Hello.
You still got your van, don't you?
Huh?
You still got your van.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, the government won't want to make BA engines right now, so I'm waiting to get a new one.
Oh,
I got
okay.
370,000 miles
Yeah.
on it.
Nice. Got a nice display. I like your display. Really cool guy. Yep, the good old handyman. Wow, check this one out. It's at 1,000. And they're in this like a box or on hinges or something. Kind of neat. I bet he takes them and stacks them in his van. They're cute. I didn't realize there was that many of them in here. A Sea King. Oh wow, I don't know what's going on here. It folds. Oh, I wonder how it does that. It's amazing. It's at 1,800. Look where the spark plug's at. So they're firing up the machine out here. It takes 15 minutes or so. This one's half the price of that one for some reason. Just beautiful display. This one here is for the weedy pond. Looks like he's got a glow plug going. An ammo box. Well, Montana license plate. $100 for the Winchester. Some nice outdoor sporting, antiques, buildings, jewelry. The first guy stopped. I don't know. He's leading the parade. Now he's coming back, isn't he? That's a different guy. They look like brothers. So they've lit something. They have the propane fires on. So they're going to start turning it with something. They'll fire that big. It's a big 2-cylinder, and there's a big 1-cylinder for ranks. And then these ones are laid on their side. That's a beautiful display there when it's up and running. Good place to sit down and take it easy. So yeah, he's got his propane thing out and he lit it in the side. I'm walking in front of everyone. They're going to help him turn. He's got the kids involved. The propane, big water cooler up there. So they've got both cylinders preheated. Sounds like some pretty intense compression. Gotta find that sweet spot, like starting a Harley. The girl wants to help. And the other kid. Now she's gonna help. She's sweaty. It's not that hot out. They've been running. Then you could put a bar in this in too. It looks almost like he was positioning the engine. I can feel the heat. It's been a while since I've seen them start that one, and I want to say Crawford County, Ohio, for some reason. So yeah, my film doesn't run out that long, so, or we hang out and film it. Watch that start up. And when they start, they're quiet too. They run quiet. And I'm going through the process of the glow plugs right now. Thanks for watching. Burger Derpy, Portland, Indiana.